Welcome back, students. So we are doing this problem number 2 for diagonal scale, and the problem is an area of 144 square centimeter on a map represents 36 square kilometer on the field. So we have to find, first is RF, representative factor, or draw a diagonal scale to show kilometer, hectometers and decameters, and this scale should be long enough to measure up to 10 kilometer. So, and we are to indicate 7.56 kilometer on the scale. So we start with finding the RF. So the formula for RF is length in drawing by actual length of object. Using this formula, we write RF is equal to 144 upon 36. Now this is given in terms of area, so we will square root this to get the length. So this is square centimeter and this is square kilometers. So we will convert the units afterwards. So it comes out to be 12 upon 6. So 12 is our centimeter, 6 is our kilometer. So 12 upon 6,000, 6 into 1000 into 100 centimeters. Okay, so it comes out to be 1 upon 50,000. So RF comes out to be 1 upon 50,000. Right. So second is draw the diagonal scale. For drawing the diagonal scale, we require LOS, length of scale. So length of scale is RF into maximum length to be measured. So from here LOS comes out to be 1,50,000 into 10 kilometer, because maximum distance is 10 kilometer. Converting the units, we get 10 into 1000 into 100 centimeter upon 50,000. Okay, so 4 zeros cancel out, 5 2s are 10, it comes out to be 20 centimeter. So RF is 1:50,000 and LOS is 20 centimeter. So the calculation part is over. We have calculated the length of the scale. We have calculated the representative fraction also. So now we'll move to our second part, which is drawing of the diagonal scale. So the length of scale comes out to be 20 centimeter. Now this is our line. I'll draw a bigger line. So this line is 20 centimeter, but it is representing 10 kilometers, and we are to show the maximum is single kilometer 7.56. So it is single kilometers because we are to show kilometer, hectometer and decameter. So this is single kilometer, 1/10 of single kilometer is hectometer, and again 1/10 of single hectometer is decameter. So it is single kilometer. So here we have 10 kilometer and the maximum unit is single kilometer. So we'll divide the line into 10 equal parts. So for that we'll draw an acute angle to this line. Divide this acute angle into 10 equal parts. Write the count of the marks made by compass or arcs made by compass. So these are 10. Join the 10th part with the end point of our line. Directly. So this is joining of the 10th division, the last division, with the end point of the line. Now we will draw lines parallel to this line. Set the drafter parallel to this line and draw all the lines parallel to this line. Like this. Now complete the box for the diagonal scale. Take this as 40 to 45 mm. Mark the 10 divisions of the line. So when these lines are parallel, these divisions are equal. So next step is writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these are our kilometers. And our scale is 1:50,000. Now next step is to divide this part so that we can have hectometers. So we'll divide this part into 10 equal parts. So draw an acute angle. Divide this acute angle into 10 equal parts with the use of compass. Join the 10th part with this 0 directly. So this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 10th division. 10th division joined with 0 and draw parallel lines from every point to this line which is joining 10 with the 0. So we'll draw the parallel lines from 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So we'll draw parallel lines to this line from every point, and these will intersect this baseline. Take the 9th division and join it with the top of the 10th division for making the diagonal. Now draw lines parallel to this line from every point which is dividing this line. So point number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so these are the inclined lines. Inclined, how much inclined? That 9th part is joined with the 10th part, top of the 10th part. Draw another acute angle. Again divide into 10 equal parts. Join the 10th part with the base or the 0 and again draw parallel lines from each and every point to this line. Okay. Now from each intersection draw parallel lines to the base. So this is our diagonal scale. This completes our diagonal scale. Decameters, hectometers and kilometers. Now this is the last step where we are to integrate 7.56 km on the scale. So first is the unit, that is the 7 km. So how to locate 7 km? Start from 0. So this is our 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So up to here we have 7 kilometers. So mark over here an extension line for 7 kilometers. From 0 to here we have 7 kilometers. Next is 0.5. 0.5 means 5 hectometers or 0.5 kilometers, which is 1/10 of the kilometer. But its face value is 5. So count the 5th division, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is our 0.5. Next is 6. So move on this line which is joining this bottom of 5th with top of 6th, which is not visible over here, but start climbing this line. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and 6th step. 6th step. So these are the steps. Horizontal lines are the steps in this. So on line number 5 you climb the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 up to 6. So it will be 756 kilometers. Now from this point draw a vertical line perpendicular to the base with the help of drafter. Make drafter aligned with this scale. Okay. Now draw a line perpendicular to the base like this. So this is perpendicular to the base or perpendicular to this line. Draw the dimension line, draw the arrows and write the dimension 7.56 kilometers. So this is our required indicated length. Okay. So this completes our problem number 2 on diagonal scale, where RF was given in terms of area. So we square rooted the area, the ratio of the areas for drawing and for the original area, and we get the answer in terms of length, and we converted it into the centimeters, and we get this ratio 1:50,000 for RF. Then we see that we are to make this scale for 10 kilometers. So the maximum length to be measured is 10 kilometers. So we multiply it by RF to get length of scale, which is 20 centimeters. So we draw a 20 centimeter line which is representing 10 kilometers, but the biggest unit which we are representing is single kilometer. So we divide it into 10 equal parts so that each part will represent single kilometers. This line is of 10 kilometers and each part is representing single kilometers, because we are to show kilometers, hectometers and decameters. There is nothing tens or hundred of kilometers. It's starting with the single kilometer. So we divide this with single kilometer to get 10. So that's why we have divided into 10 equal parts. So we start numbering the first box. The end of first box is 0 up to 9, and this we divide into 10 equal parts. The first box is divided into 10 equal parts. It will give us hectometers. Then we draw this line at acute angle with the vertical line, divide in 10 equal parts, and draw horizontal lines from this parallel to the base. Here we draw the inclined lines by joining the 9th division with the top of 10th division to get the diagonals, and we draw parallel lines to this line from each and every point. Okay. So this will complete our diagonal scale, and after that we measured this length which was in the question. So this completes our diagonal scale.